Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 64 plate Toyota Yaris XL. This is the 1.33 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox, 5 doors, finished in magnetic grey metallic, and it's covered just 43,000 miles. So I've got walk around this super looking Yaris XL, top of the range model. I have sold a lot of Yarises in my time, it is fair to say, but I've never had one with this specification. I think it looks absolutely spot on. Magnetic grey, 16-inch grey alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. Really looks superb for one of these. 2 owners from new. Car's just arrived to me from the other side of the county, so local. Chap's had it a good while. It's got a comprehensive service history, 7 stamps in the book, so been serviced right the way through its life. Obviously the car's only just 7 years old now, it's been serviced 7 times, so bang up to speed. 4 virtually new tyres, they've still got the dots on the outside, so very little mileage they've done. So this is a 6-speed manual gearbox, 1.33 petrol. The road tax is just £30 a year, so cheap to run and insure. Obviously the 6-speed helps with the fuel consumption as well. The alloys are very nice indeed. As you can see, the tyres have still got the yellow and red dots on the outside of them. So they look fantastic. Tinted rear windows, like I said. And then as we have a look inside, I'll try and get most of the specification. I might miss something, so have a look on the website if I miss something out. But you've got these cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. So you've got 3 different materials on the seats. Bolsters are excellent, as you can see. You've got the leather headrests. Lovely and tidy. Of course you get remote central locking. Does come with 2 remote keys. Door cards are all in good shape. Cup holder at the bottom of that one. You've got electric windows all round. It's got 1 touch on the driver's front window there. Electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel, again in good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, your cruise control, and you've also got your radio controls there as well. There's your mileage. 43.5 or thereabouts. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, and then you've got this nice leather handbrake with the stitching on it there. Cup holder at the back. If you want to turn your traction control off, you can do. 6-speed manual gearbox, and then you've got some more cup holders. A little bit of storage, whatever in there. You've got your 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary input, and I'll start the car up and we can have a look at the rest of it. I haven't got to the really nice bit about this car yet, so we'll have a look in a second. We'll just let the infotainment warm up. So you've got your dual zone climate control. In the glove box we've got your locking wheel nut keys and your handbooks. And then the sun's just gone away for a second, which is good because that'll allow me to hopefully go through this so you can see it. So, satellite navigation. Like I said in some other videos, you might have seen quite a lot of the Toyotas have this button, but very often it's not installed, but it is on this one. So you've got the working sat nav. If I put the car into reverse, reversing camera at the back. We've gone to the radio settings. Just that there. So you've got AM, FM, and it's also got DAB digital radio, Bluetooth facility as well. Of course, you can link your phone to the car. Also, so that's that, and then the pièce de résistance glass panoramic roof, and a big one at that, goes front to back. Really lets a lot of light in. Looks absolutely fantastic. So I like that feature. It's got the automatic dimming on the rear view mirror as well. So really, super level of specification. I don't think there's much it hasn't got that you desperately want. Into the back. Now it does have its carpet mats which run throughout the car. 3 proper headrests, 3 proper seat belts, so you can comfortably fit 5. Of course, it's got the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. And as you can see, the rear seats, extremely tidy. Very sparingly used, I'd imagine. Again, door cards nice and tidy. You've got electric windows in the back. I will get into the boot. Second, I'll just unlock it. That was me being silly. So into the load space, you've got your parcel shelf, you've got your split folding rear seats, really good size boot space. And underneath, as is often the case these days, you've got your inflation kit to get you home. So there we have it. 2015 on a 64 plate Toyota Yaris XL petrol, 43,000 miles from 2 owners with a comprehensive 7 stamp service history. 4 virtually new tyres. Finance is available on this one from £176 a month. That's based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with 12 months MOT, 2 remote keys, and our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups, and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Looks a good value car this for the amount of kit. Cheap to run, cheap to insure, Toyota reliability. Don't think you can go wrong. Thanks for watching. Please remember, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more cars similar, please do click the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and if you click the notification bell, you'll receive a new message every time we post a new vehicle. Thanks for watching.